In today's class, that's exactly what we're going to be drawing. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So let's first delete that out. Start a new drawing with it by picking the ellipse tool, holding Ctrl and getting a perfect circle on your screen. Next up is the fill tool, with which you can hold your Ctrl, click and drag upwards in order to apply the linear transparency. Pick that mark, give it yellow, pick this mark, give it red. Alright, you want to come to the outline wheel and remove outline. Next up, we duplicate that circle, copy and then paste. Alright, but this time we apply the interactive fill horizontally. Okay, horizontally. Pick this mark, give it navy blue, pick this mark, give it that. All right, okay, we may want to cut this upper circle by half since we don't need all of it, by drawing a rectangle, placing it across it, holding shift, click the circle you want to cut and click on trim, and there you go. Delete this out. Okay, so now we're going to get that letter M, use the fill tool to fill it up like we did before. We could switch that, give it a lighter gray and remove outline. Remove the outline. You may want to increase that a little bit. Pick this while holding the Ctrl key, drag across and end your drag with the right click in order to duplicate. Select both group, hold shift, select the circle and press C on your keyboard to centralize. You may want to move this up a bit again. Alright, so ungroup that. Copy this, copy that, paste it, then drag it downwards. Now click on it a second time and your markers change to the skew marks. This enables you to hold the Ctrl and bring it this way. One more time. Okay, bring that in. Bring that in. Select this, drag across that way, end it with the right click so that you get its duplicate. Okay, select this and this and weld them together to make them one body. Now you don't need this base. The way it looks has to look straight and flat. So you draw a rectangle over there, over the portion you don't want. Hold shift, select this part and trim out. See? Now delete that and come back. Alright, All right, so this whole letter M has to be one body. You can wear these two, centralize them, centralize that, select the V shape and the two bars and weld them to make them one. See that? All right, so next up we try to create that 3D effect all around it. 3D effect all around it. Pick your freehand tool right here. Make sure your first point is on the tip of that M. Click, get it backwards, click, and click again in order to continue with the line, but this time in a different direction. You could hold your control in order to come down perfectly straight. Click. All right, come here, click again in order to get the third line, and then end it on that node. All right, now you want to pick this, hold control, drag it across, end it with your right click in order to duplicate. Come to your mirror button and mirror it. Select, while you still have this selected, select, hold your shift, select the letter M, the M shape rather. Press R on your keyboard to align right. That's okay. To select the two bodies, weld them together to make them one. Then press shift page down to take it to the back of your circles. Then give them that gray color. Yeah, gray. Click on the cancel outline to remove outline. Add a node here by double clicking and bringing it this way. Then you don't need this one too, so add a node here, take it upwards. Add another node here, take it upwards. All right, so there you go. Next up is another 3D effect right below here. Pick the freehand tool, come to the node, click, bring it right at the tip of the yellow circle, click, click again to continue, click on there, click again to continue, and end it where you started it. Okay, drop that, give it black, remove outline, pick your transparency and give it a uniform transparency. If you want to increase that a little by coming to your transparency and adjust that to 70, enter. Okay, let's pick this, hold your control, drag across, end it with the right click to duplicate. Come to your mirror buttons and mirror it in order to get the same shape over here that you have over here. All right. So there you go. Next up is to get another fill like that. Another fill. Take that there. Click again to continue. Somewhere there. Click again to continue and end it where you started it. Drop that. Give it the black, remove outline. But now there is an intersection over here. After applying transparency, all right, So you want to select this, hold the shift, select this, and trim to get rid of that. But you see that blue is coming out, so you gotta take it up. See that? All right. Now we pick this, turn it this way, and it with your right click, and then place it right over here. You may want to make sure you get it right. You want to make sure you get it right. Hold shift, select the M shape, trim. The purple circle still coming out, so select your shape tool and move that node upwards to hide it. All right. What's left now is the reflection both up and down of your logo. So you want to get another perfect circle. Hold shift, select the red circle, press C and E to align both vertical and horizontally. You may want to increase that a bit by holding shift and dragging outwards. Alright, give it white, remove outline, and then apply the transparency just a bit upwards, just a bit upwards, just a bit upwards, just a bit upwards. Okay, so select everything but the transparency and the first yellow circle. Hit shift page up to bring them upwards in front of this. Now again, you want to copy this transparent circle, paste, come to the mirror buttons and mirror it vertically to get that part. Alright, select this M shape, shift page up to bring it to the front, and then give it another fill here with the use of your outline freehand tool as before. Give it black, remove outline, fade it uniform, and adjust the transparency to 70. Hit enter. Alright. Down there, it's company name, company slogan, company name and company slogan. Align your text center, give it another font, company name, on the objects, break text apart so that this guy is alone. Reduce your font, stretch it out. Apply your transparency right there. So there you go. That's basically what we have. Alright, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell in order to get more.